Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to stop Firestick from going to sleep. Let's go. Open Settings, My Fire TV. Open Developer Options. Turn on ADB debugging. Open Network. Choose your network. Press play pause button. Advanced. Check your IP address. Find and install adblink app. Enter Firestick IP address. Your PC and your Firestick must be connected to the same network. Connect. OK. Edit timers. Here you can set a sleep timer. The value is specified in milliseconds. If set to 0, the timer will be disabled. That's it. Now you know how to stop Firestick from going to sleep. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.